My name is Emmanuel Ibrahim. I'm coming from Kano, a member of Bride Assembly, Kano Church. I know Bride Assembly 2019 through television ministry, BrideTV. I was watching, scrolling through my decoder, and I got to see what was happening. I picked interest. I continued to watch. That was when I started 2019. Personally, I love the truth. Anywhere there is truth concerning God's word that is being preached from the Bible. So I see the man, Mosisalo, always pointing to the Bible. That was the reason why I kept on watching BrideTV. Even my wife was asking me, do I want to change the show? I said, no, but I love the way this man is preaching. So that was how it came. So it has brought a lot of change in my life. From where I was before and now, there's a big difference.
The Bride Assembly, 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 the Bride Assembly.